Are you looking for an elegant way to organize your desk work? Well, consider the newest desk organizer, something you have never seen before. Introducing the high-rise swivel tray, where elegant art replaces clutter. So how will you use this? Let's take a look at some examples. If your desk surface looks something like this, clearly you are suffering from desktop congestion. But there is good news, and the good news is there is relief provided by the high-rise swivel tray. It adds a bit of elegance to your desk as it reduces clutter. Many people like to keep it on the side of the desk where they can keep their tools easily accessible and off the desk surface. If you use a laptop with the screen open most of the time, you know the difficulty of reaching behind the screen to grab anything. Well, with the swivel tray, you can put all of your tools above the surface and easily access them throughout your workday. And here's an innovative idea: create your own photo carousel, keeping your photos always in view during your workday. A lot of people don't work at a desk. In fact, they work at a workbench or a table. People like artists, designers, woodworkers, and craftspeople, they have a way of using the swivel tray to keep their tools off the surface of their work and keep the work clean and clutter-free. The design provides optimal clearance above the desk surface. The tray is a good size, not too big, not too small. The whole product is easy to clean with a damp cloth. It's easy to attach this to any horizontal surface with a ledge. The clamp will tighten onto the ledge with a maximum ledge thickness of 2 inches. As with any art, it's individually signed by the artist. So, now is the time to reduce workspace clutter for yourself or as a gift for someone. The high-rise swivel tray, where elegant art replaces clutter. Let me hear from you. I'd like your thoughts and comments on usage, on design, and certainly I'd like order inquiries from you.